Okay, so now I am heading towards Florida. I actually had to stop and get my car fixed a little bit, which has kind of set my time all the way back. I had to get a valve cover gasket for my car. It was leaking oil and I thought it was something to be major. When I started to see like steam coming out of my, like underneath my car, and I thought it was something like dealing with something else of an issue, but it wasn't that bad. It only cost me, I went to like a mom and pop shop. It only cost me like $145, so that was good. That was good. I can manage that. I thought it was gonna be more than that. So right now I'm at Walmart, and I'm still in Tennessee, but I'm going to get me a few hiking stuff like a hammer, because I have a funny feeling I'm gonna go to another campsite. It's going to be the same exact ground where I have to like really need something to stake in the hammer. I mean, in the ground with the stakes. So I'm gonna go get a hammer, do a little bit of things in Walmart, and then I'm going to be on the road for 10 hours going to Florida, and hopefully I can make it there by 9 o'clock. So hopefully the campsite is where I'm going to. It's going to be available for me at that time. So let's see what I'm going to be marching myself into. Okay, so that was the fastest I ever came out of a Walmart. So I got some ice. I got some earplugs. Hopefully this makes me sleep better at night. I got my mallet because I needed that the most, and I'm going to see if this actually helps with my bug issue outside, like around my camp, like around my my tent, and see if I don't get any bugs when I do use this inside of my tent, which I'm having a big issue. But that's pretty much all I got. So now it's on to Florida. Okay, so I didn't make it to Chassahowitzka, I hope I'm saying that right, campground. Well, I did make it. I got there. It's just that it was just completely dark. It was just nothing I could do. I was like, this is not gonna work. So what I did was I got a hotel at Bella Oasis Hotel, which is right down the block. And so I'm only gonna stay here for a day. It just sucks that I have to pay $84 just for a night. But it is what it is. Because of my car issue, I got here a little later than I needed to, but I did make it to Florida. So that's a good thing. But I have, it's not a bad room. It's not really a bad room. So I'm just gonna get washed up, get everything, and then by tomorrow I can get checked in at the Chassahowitzka. I'm probably pronouncing this really wrong, but I'll guarantee I'm going to pronounce it tomorrow, but just not tonight because my head is hurting right now. But let's get some rest and prepare myself for tomorrow. Welcome to Chassahowitzka River Campground. I am butchering that name and I am extremely sorry, but let's go check out the campground. And this is what I am working with. Every campground's different, as the many ones that I have visited so far. I am 63. This is what I'm working with. It's not even gravel, it's sand. It looked like it rained. But this is my area. And you can see it did kind of rain, so I kind of maybe missed everything, but I really hope there's no alligators just come rolling up in this joint on me. But this is what I am working with, and this is a sand. Well, at least I know the stake should go in this a little bit better, but this is what I am working with. And it's different out here. It is very different out here. trying to figure out where do I want to put the tent. It ain't gonna be back there. It'll probably be like right here. I think this is like less. Gotta clean it up. Yeah, because this one looks like it's less. But I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit, and then I'll put my tent right here. And that's what I have to do. So let's put it up. Okay, so I finished up the tent. Much easier. And this thing was what I needed to actually make the tent stretch out way better. I bet you would have had a better time in the rain if I had the mallet. Also, the thing is that my neighbors on the other side just told me that I missed the rain, so that's a good thing. And also, I did do a good decision was to go to the hotel last night, because this area would have been extremely dark to try to pitch a tent around 10:45 when I would have got here. So kind of actually happy to went to the hotel, stayed there, paid with like $80, and called it a day. But this is what the tent is with a mallet. It's much stretched out, as you can see, very more stretched out than it was before. See, much better. And hopefully the rain doesn't get up here, but there's a different ground, so it may do something different. But it's Florida and it's going to rain, but it's much stretched out than it was before. Now the only thing I worry about is the bugs. How many bugs I'm going to get around my tent. So what I did was I did use this, sprayed it all around the tent, sprayed it here, sprayed it in the bushes, and hopefully, and I also sprayed it around here as well. So when I come back, hopefully it's much better and I don't have a bunch of bugs on my tent like last time, like ants or God knows what else. So hopefully everything is good to go when I come back. So right now I'm going to go to do some canoeing up at the lake they have up here, and hopefully I don't get eaten by an alligator. So let's go do that. Oh boy, me following this map. Oh my God, save me. Oh, if that kid can do it, I can do it. But that's a kid though. He's more braver. He doesn't understand what's out here. He's like, hey, what the hell are you talking about? Okay. Okay. All right, come get me. If I'm not back, trust me. All right. All right, I have until 4:30. Now we want to go. So you got to direct it. The heck was that? I haven't kayaked in like a couple years. This lady got a dog with her. What is going on in this place? They don't care. Oh my God, what is yo? What the hell? Should I be worried about that sign? It says resume safe and normal operations.
The only thing you'll see is the white, I'm surprised they don't tell you. You see the white posts sticking out, which are markers for the boats. You want to stay out of the channel. So if you stay to the sides and stay out of where the white markers are, that's the channel the boats are going through, you're good.
Oh, okay.
The water is maybe 3 to 14 feet water.
Okay, thank you. Gotcha. Yeah, I ain't walking out. He said get out and walk. That ain't gonna be me. It's crazy. It's beautiful out here though. Okay. very beautiful out here. I'm not gonna lie. All right, boat. Everybody else can canoe, but me. Erica can't canoe. There we go. All I want to do is just glide. That's all I want to do. Is glide in the water. I want to make sure I'm not near none of the edges. They say you be near the. I don't care. I ain't going in no edges. No. I'll get stuck. Ain't nobody gonna come save me. Well, they will, but the answer is not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. I'll keep the boat to stay like this. Just chilling in the water. Oh yeah, my map is done. It's like wetted up. I don't even follow a map. I just know that I ain't going that far, guys. I ain't getting lost. It's actually a really big. Here, I'm gonna show you what the map looks like. This is how big this is, and we're here. We're here, and this is how big this is. Let me tell you real something. I'm only going like maybe for a little bit, and I'm coming back. I ain't playing that nonsense. If I was with a group, maybe I would feel like on top of the world, and the group would actually get me going. But when little old Erica's by herself, I like to be in safe distance and you know, it's just a no. It's just a no. That's why I need to have a group to push me to be doing this dumb stuff. Like, hey, yeah, come on, let's go jump off this waterfall. Yeah, it's awesome. Let's do it. It's recorded. Yeah, I need a group to do that. 100% need a group to do all that. Do some weird, crazy stuff out here. See, I could go down there, but I'm not going down there. All that down there. I'm just gonna turn around. Just because. I probably have had a boat, yeah. Probably get out there. But I don't, so head on back. Like I said, if I had a group, all that down there. Like I said, if I had a group, see the tall grass right here closer. Okay, going closer to the grass. The boat kind of pushes you all the way over there. You gotta be careful about that. I mean, I could canoe all the way down there, but I'm not doing it. We are making ourselves on back to headquarters. I did pretty far out here. I'm not gonna lie. I am very surprised at myself that I made it all the way out there without a group, by my lonesome. Oh, look at these fishes out here just breaching everywhere. By my lonesome, and I feel accomplished. I feel very accomplished. Well, these fishes are really out here breaching. And I feel much better navigating the kayak over here. And I made it back. This was a nice, oh, there's the group right there. See, they don't go that far. The group, they ain't going far as I did. Because I went pretty far by myself. But this was a nice trip. Look at the doggy. This was fun. This was fun. $30 worth spent. There's a squad right there. Okay, so right now it is raining again. I have zero idea how my tent's gonna look, but I got some Chinese food, so whatever. If not, I'll have to just sleep in the car again. I have no problem with that. I am learning to sleep in the car. I'll move all that stuff in the back. I'll move it out the way, but it's supposed to stop raining. But I don't know. But I'll have to assess the situation and what my area looks like after the rain. But that's if it stops raining. But it ain't looking good over my campsite. It is very... There's puddles everywhere. Like, look, see? Like, on their side, they got puddles. I don't know. I might invest in a tarp. Like, just have a tarp just be sitting over top of my tent. You know, just for that extra protection. But it is what it is. Welcome to Florida, baby. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please keep subscribing to Coast Guy Adventures as I bring you guys more footage from my Florida trip coming to you guys on the channel. So subscribe, and I will see you guys later.